Listen to me. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need expensive machines. You don't even need the so called perfect conditions that social media shouts about. What you need is a decision. A decision that today, right now, you will not sit back and let your body, your energy, and your confidence slip through your fingers. I'm not here to whisper comfort into your ears. I'm here to push you, to challenge you, to light a fire under your excuses until they burn to ashes. Because deep down, you already know the truth. Your body is capable of transformation, your mind is capable of building unshakable discipline, and your soul is capable of becoming unstoppable. And it starts not with fancy gyms, not with miracle diets, but with simple, raw, no equipment exercises that you can do anywhere, your living room, your bedroom, or even on the bare floor of your kitchen if that's what it takes. This journey isn't about fitting into someone else's standard or living up to society's filtered images. This is about becoming strong, fearless, and powerful. It's about proving to yourself that you are more than your excuses, more than your doubts, more than the laziness that's been holding you hostage. And if you are ready, if you are truly ready, then let's talk about how to move, how to sweat, and how to finally become the woman you were meant to be. Here's the reality. Every time you hear the word exercise, a part of your mind screams back at you, "It's too hard, I'm not ready, I'll start tomorrow." That voice is not your friend, that voice is the enemy. It is the same voice that whispers to stay comfortable, to take it easy, to give up before you even begin. And if you keep listening to it, it will rob you of your strength, your health, and your confidence. But here's the good news: you have the power to silence that voice. You can crush it with discipline, you can drown it out with action. And you don't need weights or machines or even a single dollar to get started. You need only your body, gravity, and the relentless decision to show up every single day. So start simple. Stand tall, shoulders back, feet planted firmly on the ground. Lift your knees high and march in place. Drive them upward with energy, with focus, with intention. With each lift, feel your heart beat harder, feel your body wake up, feel the fire ignite inside you. Don't underestimate this. A warm up is not just blood flow, it is a battle cry to your body and your mind. It says, "I am alive, I am ready, and I will not quit." Now sink down into squats. Plant your feet strong, lower yourself with control, then rise with power. Every squat is not just a movement, it is a rejection of laziness. It is a declaration that you will not back down, not today, not tomorrow, not ever again. Your legs will burn, but that burn is your proof. It is weakness leaving your body, it is strength arriving to take its place. Push until you shake, push until the excuses fade, push until you are proud, then drop down to the ground. Face yourself with one of the purest tests of strength, the push up. Place your hands firmly beneath your shoulders, lower your body, and then rise. Rise as if you are lifting yourself out of every setback that has ever tried to bury you. And if you can't yet do the full version, then drop to your knees. There is no shame in beginning where you are. The only shame is refusing to try. Each rep is proof that you are stronger than yesterday and building the strength for tomorrow. Next, lay on your back, bend your knees, press your feet into the ground. Now thrust your hips upward and squeeze every muscle in your core, in your glutes, in your legs. Hold that strength, feel that power, claim that control. This is not just about shaping your body, this is about commanding it. This is you reclaiming what is already yours. The ability to own your energy, your strength, and your presence. And finally, face the intensity of mountain climbers. Position yourself as if ready to fight. Drive your knees toward your chest one after another, fast, explosive, relentless. This is not just exercise, this is pursuit. This is you running toward the life you deserve, charging toward your goals, refusing to let fatigue or doubt drag you down. Sweat for it, earn it, own it. Because nobody can give it to you, you must take it with force. Now here's the truth most people never want to hear. These exercises are simple, but the simplicity is deceptive. Because it's not about the moves, it's about the discipline to keep showing up when nobody is watching. It's about pushing through the days when your body aches and your mind screams to quit. Transformation doesn't happen because of equipment or gym memberships. Transformation happens because you were relentless, because you were hungry, because you decided that failure was no longer an option. So let me ask you, are you going to wait for perfect conditions? Or are you going to claim victory with what you already have? Yo,